Yeah, day 2 of Fan Expo. We're gonna be heading into the showroom right now. Oh, cheers, man. Thank you. And here are the vendor booths. Yo, retro toys. Sweet. Alright, I just got this awesome custom artwork from Izzy. Look at that. So, getting some fresh air. And we're at the Stampede grounds. And basically, this entire place is filled with cosplayers and con attendees. We found the crew! Hey. Hello. So many dope costumes, man. Hey, Brett's here too. Yeah, and Siege. Okay, let's go. This place is crazy packed. Damn. Alright. Okay, so since I don't have all that much time to walk around this place, I'm giving Brett an assignment to take my camera and vlog for me, handing it off. Yeah, cool. Yeah, see you. Bring back memories. Yeah, that's right.
In Japan, they sold those separately, so you can actually buy a second one.
But that's cool. Alright, day 3 of Fan Expo is over, and I think we're just gonna go grab some pho for some grub. Yeah, you too, enjoy. And yeah, that's about it. We're gonna clean up, close down, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog for the 4th and final day of Fan Expo. Alright, got huge Pugly Pugs, and there's Fuck Him, the restaurant. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yo, this thing woke me up. I missed my alarm twice and this quail started knocking on my window. Oh, thank you, Quail. What the f?
Isn't that weird?
What is that guy doing in there? He's just chilling. Yeah, F that game, man. Hit the box.
Just hit it. Ready?
Okay, go. Yeah, I don't think he can fly, dude. Okay, maybe he can be our pet for the day. He's chill.
I don't want to touch that.
Yeah, I just want to put it outside. Is it cool?
I'm pretty scared, but stay away. You stung me once.
Oh, I'll be right back.
Come on, I'll read it.
Oh, yeah, thanks.
If you could just hold that open. We've got
Sure.
a friend going out here.
my son.
That's a good thing. Thank you. He doesn't get angry and he's at it.
Yeah, no, he's cool. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, so kind.
Yeah, no worries. We're good. Thanks,
You're
man.
my lifesaver.
What the heck?
Scare me.
Alright, have a good show. Show's begun. Yo, yeah, that thing couldn't fly, and people were like leading me outside. I was like, I ain't touching that. Day 4, final day, start. And it looks like the halls are already starting to fill up. I think it's time to splurge a little bit. We're gonna see what we can find. Me in particular, I'm looking for a Digivice Season 2, green. I think that's the one with Terriermon and Power Rangers for the Game Boy.
Extra $40, you get 3 more swords.
Bruh, I've been...
$10.45. We've been asked for this a bunch.
Yeah,
couple
no,
years.
I've been trying to look for this thing for the longest time. So this is Okiora's sword.
$10.45 carbon steel full tang blade, functional, proper, hand
Cool.
sharpened. We do cash, debit, MasterCard, Visa right here. You got it.
Yo, that's sick, dude. Yeah, okay.
Put another 40 in my hand. We'll give you a set up.
One of the items on my list. Okiora's sword I've been trying to look for the longest time. These guys were trying to sell their last 3 swords and no one else bought this. No one else knows who Okiora is, but dude, 3 years of searching, even online, man. For now, we're gonna head over to the other building and see what's up. Find anything, bruh? Whoa, what? Yo, found a booth selling things that I would be interested in. It looks like I designed these. Hey, got Naruto Pikachu, Pikachu, Spider-Man Pikachu, Iron Man Pikachu, Deadpool. Hey. Do I go for it, man? It's $200 though. The Red Ranger helmet. Honestly, I'd pick it up if it was green. An actual art booth. Oh my god. Copics. $10 each. What? Bruh. Much appreciated, dude. Thank you. Have a good day. We got us some copics. This person's artwork is on point. I just like how stylized the Pokemon are, man. Gyarados, that is dope. Uzumaki, I heard about this one. It means spiral. It's basically a horror manga that's based off spirals. Really, really creepy though. Dude, I found Okiora's sword. This is it. That's so sick, dude. I honestly thought this was supposed to be green though. Maybe not.
It is now officially closed. On behalf of our guests, exhibitors, artists, management staff, and our volunteer crew, thank you for making Calgary Expo 2018 such a fantastic experience.
Just like that, we are done. Oh, Pika! I almost forgot. Pikachu! It has been taken down. I'd say that this convention is officially over, and now we're good to go. So probably gonna meet up with other friends and go find somewhere to eat. It's not nice. Yeah, dude. My car is not here. Gonna go meet my rent at a Chinese restaurant really close by. Whoa, it's packed, dude. Yeah. Oh, you guys first. Awesome. Oh, yo, what's up, Brett? Yeah, what up, what up? Dude, it got cold again.
It's like my Genesis is getting caught up thing. We're gonna put that angle.
There's Goots.
Right here, it looks good, eh? It's like
Yes,
wide, dude. Look at GTR. Yeah.